Hi everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to scan the YouTube QR code on your TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the YouTube app on your TV. Once it's open, look for the Sign In option. If you don't see it right away, go to the left panel and click on Sign In. As soon as you select it, a QR code will appear on your TV screen. Now, take your mobile phone and either scan the QR code directly or open the Google Chrome app. In the search bar, tap on the camera icon. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your TV and tap the search button. A YouTube URL will pop up on your screen. Just tap on it and it will open a new page. The code from your TV will sync automatically, so you don't need to do anything else. Simply tap Continue to move forward. If you're not able to scan the QR code with your phone's camera, there's another way. Open the Google Chrome app on your mobile and type in yt.b/activate. Once the website opens, manually enter the code shown on your TV screen. Tap Continue to proceed. Next, choose the Google account you want to use on YouTube TV. Select your account, allow the necessary permissions, and your YouTube account will automatically connect to your TV. And that's it! You've successfully signed in to YouTube TV. So that's how you scan the YouTube QR code on your TV. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.